This year's Fox Days Lifetime Achievement Conservation Award goes to Harold Knight and David Hill.
I want to thank you people tonight for honoring us with this prestigious award. I'm proud to stand alongside my lifelong friend and partner in business, Harold Knight, and we accept this honor in memory of our friend, Mr. Fox Hollis.
David, I'd just like to thank you. That's something very special to us, to be honored in a man like Mr. Fox. I got to go on my bucket list hunt. I got to go on a turkey hunt with Mr. Fox. That was the most emotional hunt I've ever been on in my life.
We accept this award that you so tirelessly paved the path for. Thank you, Fox Hollis. From one old turkey hunter to another, we'll keep the turkeys nervous as a cup of coffee.